Paul again, plein air painter. Today I'm going to show you my watercolor travel kit. I'm doing a number of tutoring courses in Europe, and when I travel by plane the kit has to be lightweight, minimal, robust. So this is my kit. Okay, my kit is bespoke, pretty much made to measure for me, so everybody's going to have a different kit. I'm just showing you what mine is. Starts off with a Manfrotto tripod, which you can stand at or sit at. I've put on a universal ball head. This one is by Quanta-Ray. I'll put a link for that. Onto that I have fixed a camera socket, quarter 20, that's quarter inch diameter, 20 threads per inch. So that comes off, or you can leave it on. Now onto that camera socket I've put some carbon fibre, glued with carbon fibre, and onto the carbon fibre fixate, and the fixate, on top of the fixate I've put a strip of acetate, which makes it easier to take on and off my Corex. Corex goes on there. That's solid. Again, paper storage. I would usually, if I can remember, I would prepare the paper with masking tape. Not necessary. And that's good to go. Spare paper. I have made a table, quarter inch plywood, hole in it, drilled for, not too sure if that's Tupperware or, but I've glued the lid to the Tupperware, and that will stay put. The little lid means that water is less inclined to spill when it goes topsy-turvy. What else? These are just bits and pieces to stop brushes rolling away. Favourite paint box is the Craig Young. I'm trying to remember how long I've had this. It's either 15 or 16, maybe 17 years. 2000, I think 2002. Somebody was asking me what colours, so I'll give you a list of colours at the end. On the bottom of that I've put some magnetic, flexible magnet here and here, which means that the box is less inclined to fall away. I'm not saying it won't fall away, but it's just less inclined to fall away with the magnet. If I had that attached straight, it would be level. I use the same tripod for oil painting, so these are little attachments for oil painting brushes. I'll show you that on a different video. The brush, I think that came out about twice the size, and I've cut it down to size, and that's really all the brushes I would use. A Skoda Sable, very soft pencil, 7B, maybe even 9B. Well, actually, if I was travelling, I don't have a sharpener, so I'd probably just use a mechanical pencil. Maybe a synthetic one if I was going to add gouache, white. No problem adding gouache on top of a watercolour. Or to start off, a large wash at the start, a synthetic brush, Proline, no, ProArt, yeah, ProArt Proline Plus Series 008. Nice brush. Must have had that 20 years. And lots of Velcro. Actually, that it fits to the leg. Like so. it does fix to the leg, believe me. What else? I usually sit at my little Alpine Trek stool. Pretty good. Paints. Quickly run through the paints. Let me see. Cobalt Violet. No idea what that is. Seldom used. These. The box came with 16 compartments, so at the end these have been split with little plastic containers. So I seldom use these. More often use French Ultramarine. That's by M. Graham. Cobalt Blue. That's a Winsor Newton. Raw Umber. Another Winsor Newton. Cerulean. Winsor Newton. Permanent Yellow Deep. Shinhan. Raw Sienna. Winsor Newton. Burnt Sienna. Winsor Newton. Burnt Umber. Winsor Newton. Permanent Alizarin Crimson. M. Graham. Cadmium Red Light by Aquarelle. Permanent Green number 1 by Shinhan. Cadmium Yellow Light. That's Jackson Art. Prussian Blue, Shinhan. Holbein, make a nice lavender. Olive Green by Shinhan. Indigo by Shinhan. Cobalt Turquoise by Winsor Newton. Viridian by Shinhan. As I say, Cobalt Violet by M. Graham. And this comes out if you want to wash it. And it's brass enamelled. And it's had a lot of abuse over the years, so but I love it. So that's my watercolor kit. Nothing else to show. I'll maybe do a few. That's the kit I would take away. You're not gonna go into the shop and buy one of those. So, but all that will dismount very easily and pack away, very lightweight. That's why I like to travel with that. And if I'm going to do watercolor and oil, the exact same tripod, the exact same mechanism, I will fit a oil. This will be hard to take off. I can fit a MDF panel to that just in the same way. 10 by 12, 14 by 16, whatever. And I'll show you about oil kit in a different video. Okay. Bye. The whole thing goes in a small rucksack, as small as possible, with some accessories. A little bijou watercolor kit, sketchbook. I always plan to sketch in advance of painting, but I rarely do. I just get straight into the painting. But it's good to have a sketchbook. Sometimes carry a sharpener. Always carry a piece of cord in case this needs tied down. Windy days, blows over, tie it to a railing, whatever, or a stone. Or this little has a hook here, so if you tie a brick to the underside, it will make it very, centre of gravity gets very low and it's very stable. Okay, that's it.